Hey, what's going on, Clark Roofing? Just wanted to put this video together showing you how you may be losing out on a big opportunity your business could be capitalizing on to bring more customers into your company each month. So I did a search for roofing companies in Amarillo, Texas. A lot of companies come up: Texas Residential Roofing, Roofsmith, Valdez Roofing, go down here, Mayfield, Kelly Roofing. But unfortunately, your business doesn't show up on the first page. In fact, I had to go all the way to page 3 to find your company's listing. As you can imagine, not a lot of people are clicking all the way to page 3 on Google. In fact, only about 10% get past page 1. Now, if I go over to this tool, I can see exactly how many people are searching for roofing companies in Amarillo, Texas. Right here, it shows about 210 searches every month for roofing companies Amarillo, Texas, about 170 for roofing companies Amarillo, TX. So right there's almost 400 searches just for roofers in Amarillo. And there's also hundreds of other searches related to roofing companies in Amarillo, Texas. Now, unfortunately, no one's specifically searching for Clark Roofing Company, Amarillo, Texas, which is about the only way someone would stumble upon your business listing on Google. So with hundreds, if not thousands of searches for roofers in Amarillo, Texas, you all not showing up on page 1 and no one looking past page 1 on Google, you can see how you are missing out on a lot of exposure for your business. So I wanted to show you real quick what you can do to improve your website and beat out your competition on Google's first page and get in front of hundreds of customers each month. The biggest factor Google uses to rank websites is something called backlinks. Now, backlinks are other websites linking to your website from their website. Now, just think of these backlinks as votes. The more times other websites vote for your website, the higher you rank on Google. And as you know, the higher you rank on Google, the more customers see your website. Now, we actually found something interesting, and this just proves the point that not all backlinks, not all votes are equal. We took your number one competitor here, Mayfield Roofing Incorporated. We put them into this tool called Majestic, which is just basically something we use to build backlinks to see what competitors are using for their backlinks and do what's something called the copycat method, is where we just copy their backlinks and get their trust flow, and it helps our websites rank higher. So what's interesting is if we look at your website, we can see that it has 10 backlinks. And it makes me think that you probably had someone doing your backlinks before that probably didn't know what they were doing, because you have about 10 backlinks. You see this right here, no follow backlinks, and there's absolutely zero trust flow coming from any of your backlinks. That's not really helping your website at all, and actually could be hurting it. If we go over to Mayfield, they only have 3 backlinks, but if you look at their number 1 backlink, it is a do follow backlink and has a 22 score for their trust flow. So that is bringing their overall website trust flow to a 16, where if we go to yours, it's at a 0. It's because none of your backlinks are actually helping. So now what can you do? Well, you can go to your competitors' websites, go over to Majestic, put their website in there, find out exactly what companies are backlinking to them, go to those websites and put your own link on there. So that way, all of your competitors' websites, and you can go to any competitor that you have here, type in their name into Majestic and follow their backlinks, put your own backlink on there, and that's going to help your trust flow for your website. Just make sure that the links that you follow have high trust flow themselves. But anyway, that's backlinking in a nutshell. If done correctly, the better your website will rank on Google. And as you've seen, the first page of Google gets a lot of traffic for your industry in Amarillo. As for who I am, you're probably wondering why I'm sending you this video. My name is Sean Nelson. I run a digital marketing agency, and we help construction businesses increase their customers by getting to the first page of Google. We focus on all the strategies it takes to get you there, because that's where people are looking for companies these days. Not in classified ads or yellow pages. They're getting on their phone or on their laptop and using Google to find out what they need. And if you're interested, I'd love to get on a call with you and we can really go over how you can increase traffic to your website, which is a good looking website, by the way. Unfortunately, not a lot of people are seeing it. I'm not going to pitch you anything on this call. I just like to see what your goals are for the company, if you'd be interested in taking on more clients, and see if we'd be a good fit to work together. Just email me back. Let me know when a good time for that call would be, and I appreciate your time and I look forward to talking to you.